guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogmas day 15. Today I'm going to be continuing my wig customization series. Yesterday I showed you guys how to bleach the knots, and today I'm going to show you how to pluck the frontal. To start off, I just sprayed the front of the frontal down with some water. This is going to get all the baby hairs out of the way because we want a nice smooth canvas to start plucking. I have my wig on a canvas head that I bought on Amazon. I will have that link down below, as well as these T-pins. I use these to just keep my wig in place. I'm just going to part a small section behind the hairline of the wig. This is really important because you don't want to start plucking from the very front because you'll have a receding hairline, and that's not what we want. So you're going to start plucking from the thicker side, and there is no specific way to do this. You kind of just pluck wherever you see fit. You don't want to pluck in one area too much because then it'll make a bald spot. So you kind of want to bounce around, just pull out some hairs. The frontal is really dense at this point, so you can pluck as much as you want. As you guys can see, I've only been plucking for a little bit, and that is how much hair has already come out. So don't be afraid that you're gonna bald the frontal. If you take it slow and go easy with it, you will not get a bald patch, okay? So just keep parting sections. I'm going in a little bit deeper now and plucking some more just to really thin out this frontal because the plucking makes such a huge difference, and you guys will see that later on. Alright, so this is what we got so far. You know, you can barely tell how much I've plucked, and there was a decent amount of hair that came out. So you're just going to keep going, honestly. Just keep parting sections, plucking a little bit, and combing the hair back to see how it looks. You really want to part a little bit at a time, pluck some hair, and check to see what it looks like when you comb the hair back over like this. And that's going to help prevent you from getting bald patches because you'll be able to catch how much you're plucking from each section if you just check it. I am going to try to speed through this. This is a very tedious process, as you guys may know. It does take a while, but the results are 100% worth it. Now you can kind of see the edges coming together. They're starting to look much thinner, much more natural. Nobody's edges are so dense like that. Maybe somebody's edges are like that, but mine definitely aren't. Now moving on to the front of the wig. As you guys can see, I am working in sections. I find it easier to do it that way, and you can track your progress much better when you can compare it to the section adjacent to it. So yeah, I'm doing the same exact process, parting behind the hairline, starting to pluck, and just making multiple different sections and going in and plucking them as well. So yeah, you guys can kind of see where this is going. You're going to follow the same exact process for each section until you go all the way around the frontal. And there you have it, you guys. Look at how much better this looks. You can even go in and pluck some more, but I do prefer to finish plucking once it's on my head. But this is the before and after. Look how dense and thick it was before we removed all that hair. So now let's go in and add some baby hairs. Now this is optional, but I do like to add a little bit of wispy pieces in the front of my wigs. And I use one of those eyebrow razors to do so. I just part a little small section, cut it off with the eyebrow razor, and slick it down with some mousse. I do not use gel for this because the wig isn't on my head yet for one, and I want a nice light hold. So I'm just going to use some styling mousse to do this, just to show you guys what it would look like with the baby hairs. Like I said, these are optional, but I do love baby hairs with curly hair. So yes, I will be wearing this wig with some baby hair, so I wanted to add some just to show you guys how I do it on the mannequin head, and it looks really good if I don't say so myself. I'm so happy with how this turned out. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know a lot of you guys are afraid of frontals and you don't know how to customize them, so I just wanted to come and show you guys how easy it is to do this at home. You do not have to pay hundreds of dollars to get your wigs customized and installed. You can do it at home. You just need a little bit of patience. So yeah, don't forget to thumbs this video up if you found it helpful. Comment down below how you think it turned out, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see all of you beautiful people tomorrow in my next one. Bye!